Hey all, what's up? Today we will learn again a new topic, or you can say a new concept where you can save a lot of time. Now suppose if you have a data where you have formula, and if you are an auditor, then suppose if you wanted to find whether the formula is kept here or not, so you can go in this particular cell, or you can press a shortcut where you can find the whether the cell is formulated or not. But what if you have thousands of data, you cannot go in individual cell and see all the formula. So what you can do, select the data where you wanted to see whether if the cell that does not contain any of the formula, select your cell, press shortcut which is Control G, which is go to option. Then you have a special option, you can click or you can press shortcut. And now if we see here, we have a constant. ठीक है, press that, okay. See, the cells which are not formulated got selected now. So now you have opportunity, or you can see whether this is correct calculation or is there anything wrong, and you can flag that these cells are manipulated where data does not have any formula. So this is a trick where you can press simple shortcut Control G, go to special option, and you have a constant. Select that. That's all. Please comment how these videos are useful for you. This will make us feedback, and we will create some more important tricks for you. Thank you so much guys. Have a great